The month of May is Steering and Safety Month at GoToMarine.com and LFS Marine. The Captain's Compass hot buys for the month of May are Dometic Trim Tabs, the 4-spar Stay Plug, Cal June Safety Rings, Orion First Aid Kits, Rule Bilge Alarms, ACR Emergency Lighting, Bexon Hand Bilge Pumps, and get ready for shrimping season with LFS Super Bait Shrimp and Prawn Baits. The featured product for the month of May at GoToMarine.com and LFS are Dometic Trim Tabs. Keep your boat on step and level this boating season with Dometic Trim Tabs. The heart of this trim tab system is an intuitive controller that easily lets boaters dial in the optimal ride for any situation. You can find all these hot buys online at GoToMarine.com/Captain's Compass or stop into one of LFS's stores in Washington and Alaska. GoToMarine.com is the online resource for boating and marine products. I think I'm gonna grab me one of these.